yesterday and like be hiding and then hunting us down.
Yeah,
Oh, that would be really fun. Let's play hide and go seek.
It basically is except one person is gonna kill them.
I am the helicopter.
Come on.
So who's hiding?
Me.
So is
In
the
the
person who's
air.
hiding allowed to shoot?
No, Mark, get out of the helicopter. Jacob, serious. You're being annoying, okay?
Wait, is the person who's hiding allowed to shoot other people?
Huh? Doesn't make sense. Mark, god damn it!
I'm in the air.
Yeah.
Oh god!
Missed it.
Oh my god!
You succeed. You can't. I think you have your own mission you had to do.
Nah, it's fine.
Yeah, we
Good
all
talk.
have our own mission, but
Honestly, Ashton, if they enlisted me in the army, alright? And they did not expect me to
Damn,
do
look, I
anything
got myself.
productive unless I wanted to.
Unless I felt like it. Where's my squad?
But I'm a valuable
Lost
asset.
control.
See,
I've
I have
lost
the ability just to...
See, drop.
Truman! Oh, Jesus!
Oh. You were so close.
That was amazing.
It puts me back in another one. I'm just getting out.
Truman, no! Truman, you get back.
Q and Z are your throttle controls. Wait,
Good morning. Private? Is that a question?
I got.
Those are our teammates.
let's go.
Oh my god, Mark.
What are you doing?
Can someone pick me up and get me out of here?
You're the helicopter pilot.
Truman, where are you?
I don't want to be the helicopter
Truman,
guy.
where are you?
I want to be the helicopter.
I'm at the
guy.
airfield.
I'll be right there.
Good luck, Sam.
Truman, cut the engine. Give me a ride.
Me?
Mark.
Yeah,
Alright.
land it.
Mark.
No, Truman's landing a helicopter for me.
No, but I could
Oh
really
my
use
God.
support.
Truman, really, did you cut the engines and... Oh my god.
No.
I'm watching you do this.
Perfect. Nice.
Mark, I could really use some armor support.
All right.
Mark,
Let's
Mark,
see,
where's your
I'm
armor?
done.
I don't
Where's
know.
Are you serious?
I got off and they drove off without me. Like, screw it.
Ashton, I'll be there in a second.
Do you have any armor?
Yeah, I'll get some.
Because we got an APC moving in.
Hey, that
Yeah.
guy's in my
My objective is
seat.
to defend this hill. I can't allow any op or pass.
You
I
can
got
get
right
out
there.
and I'll fly it.
Are you a
You're
pilot?
right there, Truman.
Sure.
Not Truman, Ashton. That's pretty cool.
Sure.
Sam, what's your current
I'm
objective?
doing the ritual
Seek and
pilot
destroy
dance.
shit.
Shouldn't you go help with that?
Nah.
Okay.
Oh, no, I can't drive that.
I'm gonna kill my pilot.
I can't get in these
Oh my
things.
god. Alright. Turning on engine.
I can't
Wait,
get in
don't
these things,
leave
Ashton.
without-
I can't.
Yeah.
I
Oh,
can't help.
it's fine. It's
Are
fine.
you
It's
in?
fine.
No.
Stop talking about me. God damn it.
You guys,
Tell me.
I have to
Are you
defend
in?
this until you guys complete your objective. So
Hold up. Don't leave without me.
Alright.
Alright, I'm in.
hey,
Let's go.
guys,
How do you move up?
That's well, Satchel Church is
Q.
Q?
they might. Might have a possibility of an enemy APC moving in. So they
C1.
could help.
Jesus, that's me.
Oh wait, that's Sam.
Sam, if you got any spare satchel charges, I'll take them.
Alright, I'll grab some from your old dead body.
Oh, thanks.
Ashton, we're moving into support. No wait, keep going to the right.
Wait, are you actually coming in support? Because I could really use some.
Yeah,
Coming
we're,
in hot.
we're
Please
coming
don't
in.
blow us up. Please don't kill us.
That's one.
Where all the smoke is that where we're going?
Where's the
Yeah,
enemy?
the explosion.
Where's the enemy armor? We're gonna get him.
I'm looking for. I had a report of it. I'm not seeing it though.
Shut up! I'm not gonna form on you.
No, no, no!
Do you see my bullets?
Yeah, I do.
It's
Okay,
me.
we're coming in.
Big themes you
Hey, do you think? Jacob, go right now.
Truman,
please.
it's down the
Oh,
hill.
wait.
It's downhill. No, that's friendly armor. That's friendly armor. To the left of that.
Left.
To the left of it.
There's two to the left.
Where?
Okay, you
Moving
were
for a
shooting at
close-
that one
we'll
guy.
Move in for a closer look.
Oh, I see it. I see him. I see him.
Oh, I think that's me. Don't shoot me.
Thank you. That is it. Thank you. Hang on.
Yeah, put a couple more in there just for good measure.
Neither of those were kills, but you disabled them. Thanks. You took their wheels out. Sam, I see ya.
Sam's here.
Sam's here.
Come on, you need some IED or whatever?
Yes, that's a charge. Truman,
Okay.
you didn't kill either of them, but you disabled them by taking out their wheels, so thanks.
I think Mark
Oh,
can.
I dropped him on the ground. There, have fun.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Sam.
I think he can
Oh, what
fire
do I-
missiles. Try firing missiles. Left click.
Give me a satchel.
No.
Hit it.
Ceasefire.
Ashton, if you want, I can go over there and blow the fuck up.
Wait, scroll and see if you can find manual fire.
Wait 1 second. Let me land it real quick.
Hey, look,
Guys.
it's Ashton.
Cutting the engine. Coming in for a soft landing. Soft landing.
It worked.
Nailed it.
Hey, keep away or I'll shoot you.
We have parachutes, right?
I'll shoot you, Sam.
Ow! Oh!
That was one of the safest landings I've ever done. Whoa.
Oh my god.
We are the
was
most
hostile.
professional
Oh
shooters.
no, oh god.
What?
There's a grenade. Didn't do much.
We're heroes. We saved you
I
guys.
don't know how to turn back
Oh,
on the engine.
Just a second.
I almost threw grenades at your squad.
I don't know how to turn the engine back on.
Hey, Truman. Truman, guess what?
Fire.
Truman.
Target that.
Truman, guess what?
No target.
Truman, guess what?
Target that at one.
Truman, guess what? Satchel charge. Come on, man.
I thought I would be far enough away.
Oh!
I'm at
Mark
grid
has 19
08.
kill tasks. Overhead cover. Protect incoming friendlies and destroy any
I got
target.
another helicopter.
How long does that mission go on?
Basically until we complete ours. I've completed all mine. My last mission's to defend. I need you guys to complete yours.
What,
Mark,
Mark,
I'm on
I'll
your
finish
mission?
mine soon.
Wait,
Mark,
don't
what's your
leave.
mission?
I already done
Mark, don't leave.
it. Okay.
You sure you've already done your mission, Mark?
Hey. Yeah.
Oh, that's you?
I might have to go finish
You
mine.
left.
I thought you were shooting at me.
No, I'm shooting at the other guy.
Oh, okay.
Sam, what is your current mission?
I have to go get a car.
Alright, I'm in. Let's go.
Lifting off.
Yeah, because I gotta defend that hill until you guys finish your mission. So. Ow!
Who's
Ow!
in this car right here?
That's me.
I blew
Why are you in
something.
that car?
You told me to get in it.
You told me to get in it too.
Get in it.
Went so bad, so fast.
I'm at grid 0800.
I wasn't alive for that.
Kick it off.
This is pleasant.
Yeah, I like it. It's very calm. Before it
Something
starts.
about flying a machine of death is just really relaxing.
Yeah. I think I fired. I figured out how to fire missiles.
3 o'clock, man. 200 meters.
Boosh! I found the missiles.
Hey,
After now, I'm trying. My own teammates are to shoot
Wait,
at me.
what village? What village you guys going
I
to?
think it's over that direction.
Yeah, right there. Don't kill my squad!
Wait, are we going the right way?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright.
I'm just watching your helicopter.
Suck it.
Alright, I'm gonna turn off.
Jesus! That's what I am.
I'm gonna turn off auto hover.
Okay, good
Oh
idea.
god.
Alright, we're moving forward.
Nice, I like it.
Yeah, we're moving a lot quicker now.
Yeah. I think it's right there.
Alright, I'm gonna turn on auto hover again,
Oh
right?
god, we're going so fast. Oh my god. We passed it.
Shh, calm down. No, don't fire. Alright, can you shoot at any enemies that you see?
I think. Turn it around a little bit more.
I don't know how to turn this.
Hook it in. I don't see enemies, but I can shoot at them.
I don't see enemies, but I can shoot at them.
I took down that whole building.
Ceasefire. Fire.
This is the most fun.
I'm gonna take down that building.
Oh my god, Jesus! I just see from over hill these rockets shoot out.
It's telling me to look out. Alright, you should have the ability to shoot at the ball now.
I took out all the buildings except that one.
Alright, Sam,
We did it! You guys did my mission.
you should be able to move in now.
You've killed my whole squad.
No, don't do that. The worst mission.
Mission accomplished. Ashton,
Yeah,
we did it.
we did it.
Okay, mission accomplished.
I got -5 kills.
Let's go home, boys.